Hi guys, I'm waiting for my plane. It's really boring. So, oh, what is that? Oh my god, I love this game. Sometimes I feel like an iPhone. I can do everything.